Okay, this is for my kitchen tip. I put all of my flour and my cornmeal, and I store it in the freezer, you know, for the, like, weeble eggs that they say that's in flour and you need to put it in the freezer. But I keep mine in the freezer, except, like, for my bread flour, what I use, I put it in a container. So this is a 25-pound bag that I buy at Sam's Club. And so I go ahead and fill up my bread flour container, and then I use gallon-sized bags to put up about 5 pounds in each bag, and I keep it in the freezer. And then when I get ready to pull it out, I can pull it out and fill up my bread container. And so that's my kitchen tip that I do here for my flour, and to store it, because this is store pretty long term this way. So how do you store your flour now? Let me know. Bye, y'all.